Hello, team and family. This is question 18 on I number 2. Rachel works a day job and an evening job. She works 56 hours at her day job and 11 hours at her evening job every 2 weeks. The ratio of the hourly pay for her day job to the hourly pay for her evening job is 4:3. Rachel earns $20 an hour at her day job. How much does she earn every 2 weeks? So Rachel has a day job. She also has an evening job. She works 56 hours at her day job, and she works 11 hours at her evening job. I know the ratio of her hourly pay for her day job, so I'll put day to evening, is 4:3. Rachel earns $20 an hour at her day job. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So when Rachel earns $20 at her day job, she earns $15 at her evening job. How much does she earn every 2 weeks? So if she works 11 hours at her evening job every 2 weeks and 56 hours at her day job, then you need to take her day job hours, which is 56, and multiply that by 20 to get her total amount of earnings. And then you'll take 15 and multiply that times 11. So we're basically multiplying the hours times the pay per hour to figure out how much total money does she make for these two. So when I multiply 56 times 20, 0 times 6 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, put a 0, move over. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So I got 1,120. And then for 15 times 11, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 1 is 1. Put a 0 with a line through it. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 1 is 1. Put 1, 6, 0, or 1, 6, 5. So I have 165 and 1,120. I need to take those two numbers, and I need to add them together to get the total amount she earns every 2 weeks. So 1,120 plus 165, 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then bring down the 1, that's 1,285. So, for every 2 weeks, for her day job and her evening job, she earns $1,285. Woo!